ergonomically designed cleaning machines designed for worker welfare. A recent study confirmed that 74% of cleaners reported muscular aches and pains. These are known as musculoskeletal disorders, also known as MSDs. Commercial cleaning operators use heavy equipment daily. These tools are the root cause of MSDs in your workforce. Here at MotorScrubber, we design our equipment ergonomically, with worker welfare in mind. Introducing MotorScrubber's lightweight battery power pack technology, with padded back support to keep the user's back straight. Load is spread evenly across the operator's waist, with all-day comfort guaranteed. The backpack has been made to be adjustable to any user. Thanks to the ergonomic backpack design, the user only experiences 470 grams in hand during use. That's the same weight as a cup of coffee. SHOCK's minimal operational weight allows for effortless single-handed use. The adjustable telescopic handle prevents back strain by promoting a correct cleaning posture. A perfectly balanced oscillation mechanism makes SHOCK easy to control and effortless to operate. Bending down to carry heavy equipment causes serious back strain. Introducing the M case. This carry case is easily transportable between cleaning areas, and it stores everything you need to tackle any floor cleaning challenge. Stairs can be dangerous to clean when carrying heavy equipment or buckets of water. For safer operation when cleaning stairs and other dangerous areas, simply remove the 1.8 kilogram weight kit. Now the user can easily lift the machine onto each step, avoiding back strain. Operators can be required to bend down often when replacing cleaning pads, leading to MSDs. There is no need to bend down with SHOCK. Simply hover over the pad and a pad will magnetically click into place. Soft rubber grips give additional comfort to the user and removes vibrations during use. Cleaners often need to carry heavy buckets of water to apply cleaning solution. This could lead to risks such as back strain, slips, and falls. SHOCK's built-in spray function applies minimal solution only when needed, with fingertip control. This prevents any slips and falls that may occur from excess cleaning solution being on the floor. Cleaning cupboards are often hazardous areas with equipment laid out on the floor, putting workers at risk of trips and falls. The wall dock hangs your equipment neatly on the wall, keeping your equipment safe from damage while reducing the risk to your workers. Enhancing worker welfare through ergonomically designed equipment. Effortless usability, easy transport, safe stair cleaning, controlled fluid application, and safe, tidy storage. Because your safety and comfort matter.